Hi dear students, welcome to Akshar IIT Foundation, Grade 6 Mathematics. Today we are discussing a topic from rational numbers. Let us see. The topic is comparison of rational numbers. We know how to compare fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions we can compare directly because the denominators are same. We can see only the numerator. And unlike fractions, we shall take the LCM and we are making the denominators are equal, then we compare. Then what about the rational number? Is there any difference between fractions comparison and rational numbers comparison? Yes. Fractions are nothing but in the form of a by b, where a comma b belongs to whole numbers and b is not equal to 0. And rational numbers are also in the form of a by b, but a comma b need not be a whole number. They are integers, so that we follow a rule here. Let us see the rule. So, a by b is a fraction and a by b is a rational number. A comma b are whole numbers and a comma b are integers here. In both the conditions, b not equal to 0. Then, what is the rule we apply here while comparing the rational numbers? The rule is very simple. But before we go to the rule, we have to recall the integers concept once. Then only we come to this. Why do we check the integers concepts? I will explain. Okay. So let's see the integers concepts one. This is the number line, integer number line. We know that 0 is neither positive or nor negative. When we move on from 0 to the right side, the values are increases. Okay. The number values increases. Then we come to the left side, it will be decreases. Okay. Next, when we compare a negative integer and a positive integer, always negative integer is less than positive integer. That means minus 2 is less than 2. And what about minus 2 and minus 5? When we are comparing two negative integers, we will see that which number is left side. Which number is left side? See, minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 5 will be the left side of minus 2. So that minus 5 is smaller than minus 2. That means minus 2 is greater than minus 5. Hope you are following. Now we are coming to our concept, that is comparison of rational numbers. A by b and c by d are any two rational numbers. Then we follow two simple rules. That is, a into d is greater than b into c, then a by b is greater than c by d, and a into d is less than b into c, then a by b is less than c by d. Concept is very simple. I will explain more clearly. A by b and c by d are any two rational numbers. Just multiply a and d and b and c. Then compare these two product values. If AD is greater than BC, so that A by B is greater than C by D. If AD is less than BC, then A by B is less than C by D. Concept is very simple now. Let us do some problems. Okay. So here is the question. Compare the two rational numbers minus 5 by 19 and minus 11 by 6. Here minus 5 by 19 we will take minus 5 by 19 like this. The minus will be on the numerator. Now this is a by b and this is c by d. Just multiply minus 5 and 6. We will get minus 30 and minus 11 and 19. We will get minus 209. Okay. Now we have to compare these two numbers. Both are negative numbers. And we know that how to compare. Just now we revised the number line concept, integer number lines. So which one is the left side of another one? Yes, obviously minus 209 will be the left side of minus 30. So this is smaller. Then minus 30 is the bigger. So minus 30 is greater than minus 209. So that the first rational number minus 5 by 19 is greater than minus 11 by 6. Okay. The second question. Compare 3 by 5 and 7 by 16. So there is no negative here. Let us do multiplied 3 and 16 and 7 and 5. 3 16s are 48 and 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now we are comparing 48 and 35. So which one is big? It's very simple now. 48 is bigger than 35, so that 3 by 5 is greater than 7 by 16. Let's do one more question. Okay. Here is the question. 3 by minus 7 and minus 5 by 42. As I said, see the numerator, we should have the negative sign. Okay. So, this is in the denominator. Let us shift to the numerator. Now come multiply minus 3 and 42, that is AD, and BC minus 5 and 7. What is this value? Minus 126 and minus 35. Now we shall compare minus 126 and minus 35. Okay. So which one is big and which one is small? Yes, minus 126 smaller than minus 35. So that 3 by minus 7 or minus 3 by 7 is less than minus 5 by 42. We can write like this also. 3 by minus 7 is less than minus 5 by 42. Okay. Let us recall the concept once again. Yes, A by B and C by D are any two rational numbers. Then, while comparing A into 2 is greater than B into C, then A by B is greater than C by D, and A into D is less than B into C, then A by B is less than C by D. Hope you followed. Thank you.